Alright, we've got the new Theragun Elite Smart Percussive Therapy Device. It's got Bluetooth, check that out. Ergonomic multi-grip, force meter, unlimited speed range, 2-hour battery life. This thing is legit. It's in the hefty box. Here's everything that comes inside it. Very nice. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, that's gonna be my meat, my muscles, relaxing. Very cool. Here's the back. 1 year limited warranty. Nice. All right, so let's open this up and see what happens. I'm gonna isn't that nice? All right, now we get the plastic off. Just shaking it out. Oh, a nice box. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Nothing inside the box. The time to paint the inside. All right. Now let's open it up. This little frame. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what's in here, but let's get to the good stuff. Oh, more wrap. Okay, this is nice. Oh, more plastic. Okay. Love the smell of a new hardware. Nothing happens. Just gotta charge it up apparently. Okay, we'll set that right here. See what's in here. Got a cone. Nice. Those tight spots. Probably use this maybe the most. Let's see. Alright. Wedge. Cool. Oh, I don't know how to put this on, just kidding. And here, welcome. Oh, Therabody. I want a Therabody. Ooh, I gotta put a sticker, drive around and put, everyone's like, oh, what's a Theragun? The NRA is gonna wonder what the heck a Theragun is. Alright. Oh, there's an app? Oh, dang. Okay. It's like, you've reached relaxation. Stop. Alright, so, and then what else is in here? Oh, more bubble wrap. Or not more, but This is the charging cable. I wish it was USB Type-C, because you know when you're burning through 2-hour massages, you want to charge fast before the next appointment, right? Hear that, Theragun? Just a regular AC adapter. Be nice if this folded down like the Apple products, but whatever, it's cool. Very nice. All right, and let's see, anything else? No, that's it. It's a pretty slick carrying case. I like it. It'd be funny if it had like little wheels and roll it around. Tiny little luggage. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Share it. I maybe if you're in the comments, I'll do a video of me using this thing. I'm excited.